Sheikh Saduq Rahmatullah alayh in Thawabul A'mal quotes from Imam Baqir alayhi salam. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله. Imam Baqir said that Rasulullah said, ليس شيء إلا وله شيء يعدله. There is nothing unless there is something equal to it. Everything has some kind of counterpart or something similar or equal to it, except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فإنه لا يعدله شيء. There is nothing like him. وَلَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ لَا يَعْدِلُهُ شَيْءٌ. Also, the dhikr of La ilaha illallah has no similar. Allah has no similar. La ilaha illallah has no similar. وَدَمْعَةٌ مِّنْ خَوْفِ اللَّهِ فَلَيْسَ لَهَا مِثْقَالٌ. A tear which is shed for the sake of Allah, that also has no similar. You cannot weigh and measure it by anything and say this is equal to that. فَإِنْ صَالَتْ عَلَى وَجْهِ. And if this drop of tear flows on someone's face and cheek, لَمْ يَرْحَقْهُ قَتَرٌ وَلَا ظِلَّةٌ بَعْدَهَا أَبَدًا. Then that person or that face would never be dusted and humiliated. So this is the blessing and the power of drops of tear. And you know, tear is something that needs really sadness and to be affected. It's not like a smiling and laughing. I can more easily laugh, but to be able to cry is different. Unless someone is an actor or actress, maybe they can cry easily. Or someone who is munafiq, hypocrite, they can cry easily. But an honest person who is not trained, who is not actor or actresses, it's just natural person, cannot cry, artificially, and needs to really be sad in the heart so that they can cry.